Good morning. It's Saturday, January 20th, and yesterday I got a little knife making done. So this is the Bunka Boku that I am working on in Magna Cut. And so I've been going linear on this grind line. I got 90% of all the scratches out, so I will get the last little bit out and then just decide how high I'm going, or I might play with buffing a little bit because this is the first time I've done linear on Magna Cut. So I kind of see what I can get differently achieved with it. Other than that, so I'll work on that a little bit. Other than that, we should have a little bit more inventory coming in today. If not, then it'll be customers and knife making. So that's my day. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
Hey, yo, just get caught up with what's going on in my world. I'm just trying to grind away. Got a couple more hours on the grinder to be able to get a few of these down to thinness. Not exactly where I want to be yet before I go up the grits and then on the polishing, but if I can make some progress on that today, that will be great, which will be my focus. It is Saturday though. Saturdays do tend to be busy in the shop, so we will see. But we are now gonna go into our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the new Wii knives that came in. So we've talked a lot about the Elementums and the other knives with Civivi. So Wii, the parent company, these are the higher end dollar, more premium products in there. So they're all CPM 20 CV steel. Most of them are titanium. This one even has titanium with this beautiful wood inlay. So these will be very elegant, super useful, very lightweight. So they use different locking mechanisms. So this one has the button lock. That's the button lock kitefin, and just some absolutely elegant and beautiful knives. I can't remember the names of all of them right off the top of my head, but check them out if you're interested. Just like I said, these are the ones where they really show what they can do. Just lovely actions, lovely knives.
Right on. All right, y'all, we'll wrap up the week here. We appreciate you watching. Everyone have a good and safe weekend. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.